doing?
Videoing you.
Why?
What do you mean?
What the fuck, dude? What is the issue?
Here, let me show you this. Oh man, 'tis the season. It is, I gotta close the door. It is April something, just the end of April, and we are installing or reinstalling the Parklet today, which is a project that I started, oh my gosh, 4 years ago. It was a long story, but the general gist of today is that we are going to install the planters, the platform today, and then we'll do the plants next week. All right, let's go. So you can see behind me, that is where we're gonna have the Parklet this year, a little different. The last couple of years we've had it further up the street, but now we're gonna have it here. Not sure exactly where.
Right.
Yeah, look right there. There.
I'm looking over there. Well, I got sunglasses.
Can't really
on
see
anyway.
your glasses in. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. So
So here we are.
What are we doing?
We are doing the build out for this year's Parklet.
2019.
2019 Parklet. We are here in front of 106 West South Orange Avenue,
Yep.
Reservoir Restaurant, Ginny's Nails, and Cafe World Bookstore.
Yep, there they are.
And we're going to be setting down the parking lot at the Parklet this morning, and hopefully
it'll go from now, which is April 26th,
right till September, late September
or October, as late as we can have it.
And then hopefully we'll bring in some extra energy and interest to this section of South Orange Ave, and more pedestrian traffic, and give people a reason to linger.
Now this is kind of cool. If we swing around, you can see the walkway right there, and they have a crossing guard there, which
so there are students going by this spot every day.
There's a middle school over there.
And so hopefully we'll be also creating some interest there, and they can have a place to hang out after school and be downtown for a little while.
That's right. And so today we're going to build the platform and put the planters in, and then next week we'll put in all of the beautiful plants.
Yes. All right.
All right. Okay. When you put a Parklet in, there's a lot of things you have to consider. For example, we have a 2-space Parklet, which means we'll go 1, 2, maybe. But there's all these storm drains right here, which might be a problem. We have to figure that out. So I got to go grab. A bunch of guys are down. We've been storing the Parklet at the pool, the community pool, and now they are loading it up. They're not 100% sure what's all going. So I got to kind of run down there and let them know what to pick up and what not to pick up.
Yeah, you're good.
Putting in the Jersey barrier. And how much that thing weigh?
How much?
Yeah.
No idea. Heavy though. The strap looks like it's at its max.
Yeah.
He's gonna pull this way back up. Oh, you're going back in? He's gonna pull forward.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it. Yeah, don't drop it.
It's getting shit.
Oof. There it is. All done, except for the plants. We gotta do the plants later.